Hey guys, welcome to episode 6 of Inferencing Detective Series. Our first spot is going to be our setting. Remember, that's where we are. So here it is. Where are we? You can write it down or you can draw it, okay? Our first clue is clothes. So we have folded shirts, some pants, and shoes. I wonder what we're doing. Our clue number 2 is a suitcase. So we're in the bedroom. We have folded clothes and some shoes and a suitcase. Our last clue is, what is that? Is that a ticket? So let's put it all together. We're in our bedroom. We have clothes that are folded and clean, and we have a suitcase, and we have a ticket. What are we going to be doing? Write it down and let me know.